All right, everybody. How are you? We are going to talk about the Japanese yen. The reason I want to talk about the Japanese yen is because we do have an opportunity to go short on the Japanese yen as we did yesterday, actually. So this is the 1 hour chart on the Japanese yen. As you already know, this market is extremely bearish in the mid, long, and short term. So on the daily side, you can see that from March 2020 highs, we have been on a very bearish market here, and everybody is telling me, but how low can the Japanese yen go? Well, I don't fucking know. No one knows, but I'll keep on shorting the Japanese yen for as long as the market tells me to, right? So I'm trying to catch and I will never ever attempt to catch a falling knife. Short here is the play. Now let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Remember that if you want my Japanese yen basket trade, just click the link below this video and join my VIP group that is about 12.66% in the past couple of months. So the Japanese yen, after breaking with this bearish flag, yeah, the Japanese yen dropped from May 27, May 20, May, I'm sorry, May 27th to June 8th for about 9%, right? So yesterday we had a big breakout on this market. We rode it on the euro yen with the VAP team, and now we are looking at that pullback towards that previous broken area, which is the area that I'm looking for shorts today, right? So basically. The entire zone I'm looking for a retest is this one right here, the red one that I just pointed out. Right now, I will not look for shorts on the Japanese yen at this level. This is in the middle of nowhere. I really am looking for a nice push higher to retest these previous broken lows, or even higher to retest this previous base that was broken with yesterday. So that's the plan. The markets I'm looking at for those trades are mostly the pound versus the yen. This is pretty obvious for some traders, right? Not so obvious for others. But the level I'm looking for longs on the Japan or the pound yen, which is basically a Japanese yen short, is the 166.17, 166.20, or these previous highs, right? That, my friends, is the level I'm looking for longs. This could, in fact, yield a very nice continuation towards those highs or those June 8th highs, which are basically the June 8th lows on the Japanese yen that I showed you, and a nice 1.5% move. So, if you want that trade, you just need to click the link below and join my VIP group. That's it for the Japanese yen. I'll see you guys around.